Hello there, this is lostfile, and I am doing a review on the most recent stable version of Manjaro. So basically, this is Arch Linux for people who are new and, don't want to do the steps upon Arch Linux. So, this is basically when you first install it. This is the screen, except the only thing I've changed is the wallpaper. Didn't really care for the wallpaper that it came with on startup, but for applications, it's got HexaChat, Pigeon Chat, and it has Steam installed onto it by default. It's got Firefox and all the goodies you would expect. So let's see what else it has. It's got Thunderbird, or I like to say Funderbird. Oops, I did not mean to do that. Now I messed it all up. Alright, so it has a package manager, so it has like a package software store, and it has FCE or XFCE desktop. For graphics, it's got GIMP image manipulating program, which, in my opinion, that's pretty much it. You don't really need Photoshop, you just need GIMP, and you can do the same thing with GIMP, sort of, with Photoshop. Because GIMP has a lot of, settings. And it also comes with my favorite media player by default, VLC. And basically, you have all of this stuff right here. All this, yes, it works, loads, and it comes with Firefox. I wonder if you could take the Firefox and then just click it and drag it to the... yeah, you can do that. That's a thing. Mark executable. So here you are, you have Manjaro, and you have the startup page, and you can download it, and supposedly a lot of people were trying to get me to use Manjaro or Arch Linux because that has the latest kernel and the latest everything. You want the latest hardware, you use Arch. However, Arch is not noob friendly, from what I heard. It is definitely not noob friendly. It shows you a few screenshots. And what do we got for news? Manjaro Community Edition. So there's people making community distributions of this. Manjaro Cinnamon. Manjaro Deepin. It uses the Deepin desktop. Let's go through the archives. Let's see what we got here. Alright. That's pretty cool. This is another community edition. Let's start the terminal emulator here and see if it's got top. Alright. I don't know why there's this branch going on here. I don't understand why that is being... There are a crap ton of applications running as root. Holy well, I guess that's normal. But still, that's... why is it running this as root? Well, enough about complaining about that. And it's also got the Thunar file manager and everything. Alright, let's see what we got for templates. Nothing in that directory. Videos. Nothing in that directory. Public. What do we got in the public directory? Nothing. Alright, so it doesn't come with any templates or anything like that, so our pre-installed software, except for what you see. I think it also has a update manager, so this will manage all your updates. And I think there's also a kernel updater, which will update your kernel, and you can use whatever kernel you please. But anywho, I guess I'll stop it there.